guys, Danny Johnson here. Welcome to the garage. Today I'm going to show you this new 1/2-inch drive that I got from Dewalt. And these are actually a very good bargain. I found a good pricing on them, and I'll put a link in the description from Amazon where you can get these. And basically the reason I picked one up is because I have the Craftsman set, but I lost the 1/2-inch drive somehow. It walked away, I guess. So this is traditionally what the Craftsman one looks like. However, this is the 3/8-inch drive, of course, because my 1/2-inch is gone. And if you go to get one of these in the stores, they're pretty expensive just alone. So basically what was happening is I was thinking, well, I might as well just buy a whole nother kit that comes with the 1/2-inch drive, because when you're spending $30 or $40 for just the driver, you might as well get some other sockets out of it. So then I found that this one was available single like this, and pretty good price on it, so I'll put it in the description. If you go into the store to buy the Craftsman equivalent to this, you're looking $40, maybe even more, and so you can get it for almost half that. Anyway, so I'll open this up, and I'm curious to see how well it works. I also picked up a Dewalt kit here, which is 1/2-inch drive, but I was curious to see how the driver is going to work with the Craftsman sockets and see if there's any problems there. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here's the part number for this, and very well packaged. Of course, I don't want you walking off with it. It has the security thing in there too. But overall, this has a really nice feel to it. This is their pear head, as it's called, design. Really smooth, really nice looking. But very well put together, nice release button there. And it also pushes on the socket, so we'll see how this goes into some of these other ones. Okay, so that locks in there actually really well. Doesn't have a problem releasing either, but that was a Craftsman socket with this Dewalt 1/2-inch drive. Really nice though, I really like the feel to it. Feels like it's really well built, and you can hear that teeth count. Quite a few in there. So anyway, it feels real nice in the hand, and it's, just feels like it's high quality. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up this deep socket set. This comes with 10 pieces and does not come with the driver, so that was purchased to the side, and I'll put links to the descriptions of each of these too. But part number on it is right there if you're interested in that. I'll put links in the description to where you can get these two. But this is a nice case that it comes with, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what the quality is on the inside. Okay, so this was secured pretty well. I had to open all 4 of these, and then it opens up, but it is a very nice case, because organization for these tools is really important too. You have to go buy clip strips like that. It is nice, even when you have a nice toolbox like this, to be able to open the drawer and just take the whole kit out, then take that kit to where you're working. But these are good. These are 6-point, which is what I was looking for. I don't like using multiple points if you can get away with just the 6-point. And really nice embroiderment down here so that you can turn this by hand. And this size then goes from a 13 millimeter all the way up to a 24. And once again, this is the deep socket set. And so we'll see how this goes with our new 1/2-inch drive. Okay, so the first thing I've noticed with this is that you don't have to push the button to get it to go in. It helps, but if you do push down hard enough, it does click into its place. But I guess it doesn't really hurt much if you want to push the button as the release down. That definitely helps get it on. But locks in place pretty good. And so this is a 19 millimeter. We're going to go ahead and test taking off a lug nut here and see if see how this works. There we go. Okay. Don't have to take it all the way off, but just testing the general working of the tool. Kind of get a feel for it. Feels pretty good. Okay, all in all, I really like the Dewalt. I've been a Craftsman guy pretty much the whole time, but this Dewalt seems like it's really good quality. I like a lot of the features with it. It seems like it's put together really well. They do have the guaranteed tough lifetime warranty, hassle-free replacement. Haven't broken anything yet, but I'll definitely make a video on that should anything ever break. But it seems like it's really well put together. I know it's hard until you start using these to know their overall quality, but nothing's really, you know, flopping around in there or anything. It has a real nice feel to it. So anyway, thanks for watching.